Here are the 5 signs that the liver may be affecting your hormone replacement therapy. Ready? You have elevated liver enzymes. You have unhealthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels. You have fatty liver problems. You have thyroid problems, meaning you have poor conversion of T4 to T3. There's your sign. 5, your hormone levels are bouncing all over the place. Let's ask a hormone expert why the liver is so important to hormone replacement therapy. Amber.
I'm Amber with Parabellum Health and Wellness. We deal a lot with hormones. I have a lot of women that come in. We test their hormones. We test their liver, their thyroid, their electrolytes, their vitamins, their minerals. We get them on a program and they come in and they're doing everything they need to. And a lot of times I'm not getting the full benefit of my hormones. So I kind of look at their liver. Even if their liver enzymes aren't elevated, I still am going to go back to the liver and what it's doing, because the liver has a lot to do with hormone health. It activates, it processes them, it metabolizes them, it distributes them. So if your hormone's sluggish and it's not working properly, you can recirculate those hormones, and that's where estrogen dominance will come into play. That's where weight gain, brain fog, not feeling good, sluggish kind of comes into play. So again, even if they don't have elevated liver enzymes, but they're not getting the full benefit of their hormone replacement therapy, I'm going to look at the liver and see if we can get the liver moving again.
All right, so should we quiz me on liver complex?
Yeah.
All right, so we built liver complex in conjunction with medical professionals that actually treat people that have hormone issues, like Amber here with Parabellum Health and Wellness. Ready? Liver complex, let's start at the top and we'll work down. Liver complex has 4 clinically studied ingredients at the clinical doses.
Check.
Liver complex assists with all 3 stages of liver detoxification.
Check.
Liver complex, let's go through the ingredients now. Here we go, starting at the top and working down. We have Silliphos milk thistle, because we didn't want to go half-assed. So the milk thistle in liver complex has 3 to 4 times better absorption rates than standard milk thistle, which means you're going to get significantly better help with your liver enzymes, your glutathione production, and a reduction of oxidative stress. Is that important?
Yes.
All right, so we got a yes on that. We've got the Bergavit. Helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels up to 30.3%. Helps increase ADL cholesterol levels up to 27.2%. Helps reduce triglyceride levels up to 39.5%. And helps reduce fatty liver score up to 20.5%. Is that a big deal?
Yes.
All right, so we got to check on Bergavit. Number 3, we got Altalix. Altalix helps increase insulin sensitivity by up to 43.1%. I assume that's a big damn deal.
That is a big damn deal.
Okay, so there's a good thing. It's going to help people like me not be as fat. Still have to eat healthy, though. All right, helps reduce fasting blood glucose up to 16.6%, helps reduce fatty liver index up to 21.8%, helps reduce alt levels, and helps reduce body weight and weight circumference. That's good, right? Everybody wants to not be quite so chubby?
Yep.
All right, so that's liver complex. Does it help with methylation for people that have MTHFR issues? Yes. Is it helping with cortisol clearance? Yes. And is it helping with histamine clearance? Yes. I assume that's a big deal too.
Yes.
All right, there we go. Liver complex. Bye.